Raise no bitch ass dog, let's go.
What's up, vlog? We out here. This is the first time you guys are gonna meet the homies. This is Dom. Say hi, Dom. Why are you so shy?
No, because I have my retainers in.
And this is Cameron. Where we at?
We're at Little Yosemite in Sonol, I think, near Fremont. Look at the beautiful hills. It's just gorgeous out here and a beautiful day. I'm eating chocolate, so it's in my mouth.
Introduce yourself.
It's none other than Shay Monet, Shay Andra, whatever you prefer. Queen of San Diego.
You haven't taken shit?
Regret it. I'm there. Prairie dogging a little bit.
Are you?
No, I don't think I could poop in here. It's fucking gross.
In the wilderness, maybe. Did you bring a shovel? Dig yourself up a little hole?
I got my cup with me.
Introduction to the vlog. Who are you?
Great. Hey, I'm Kevin.
Nice. Who are you?
I'm camera shy.
Why?
I'm camera sky.
Yo, what's up? It's the West Coast Hustler. Out here.
Reveal yourself.
I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm like, I know I'm red right now.
But I guess like we can.
So have you guys been here already?
Yes. A few times. We always go in the summer.
What can we expect to see?
Trees, rocks,
Water.
Dogs, humans.
cows, maybe.
Bikes. You know, if you want to take your bike out for a walk.
Take your four-wheelers.
Co's having a good time. I'm having a good time sweating. Would love to have 4 less cans in my backpack so it could be a little bit lighter, but it's all good. I think when we get to the top, we're gonna drink. Even though it said no alcohol.
We made it.
We made it? Let's jog the rest. Let's run the rest. Oh shit! Let's go, Cole. Let's go.
I feel like not like every day.
Girl.
What'd you think about the hike so far?
So far, it's beautiful, and my hips
What
feeling
would
it.
you rate the intensity?
It's like a 5.5, 6.5.
It's like medium low.
Yeah. So 4.5, 5.5.
Medium low heat, you know?
Oh God.
You wanna let that?
This ain't cooking.
That's good.
It's so pretty. Look at all the colors.
Mm.
There's a little pond over there.
We just had hella rain.
I know. One jump ahead of the bread line.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Go get it.
Baby, I'm outside.
we at, Kev? Like, what is this? What is all this? This is all supposed to be water, right?
It was supposed to be water, but now it's a little pond.
It's a little,
Got a beautiful pond.
So I guess from where we started, like this is like where the root of the water is supposed to come from. I mean, like these rocks wouldn't be visible, right? Or would they? Like the tip, right, would be visible.
Here and on this side, and then it just flows all along.
Okay.
Where all the rocks are is where the river flows.
I see. But since it's all dried out, because we in Cali, you feel me? We just get rocks. I mean, this is kind of just like a big playground now, right?
Just rocks. It's just rocks and a little bit of running water.
I know. See, look, he got a leaf on his thing.
On his foot boy.
Part of your world. You know me, pulling miracles out my ass.
I need hiking shoes, bro.
These Crocs are pretty fire right now.
Are they really?
It's my first time like hiking in Crocs.
Yeah.
It's like hiking in socks.
I tripped with this motherfucker in my arm. We almost went down.
Like a...
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about like a cougar.
Oh, mountain lion. I would be like, hey, come here often. I could do a sugar mama.
So can I. If there's enough figures involved.
What? Send me a sugar mama. Oh, I thought you said fingers.
Yeah.
Oh no, girl.
Is 10 not enough?
You gotta stay strapped.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your girl DaysiaVuuGo, because we going places. I hope you enjoyed that quick little vlog. It happened a while back with some of my friends. We went hiking, obviously you just saw. Just know that I have a lot more footage that needs some loving, so expect a lot more content coming your way, which means you should definitely subscribe so you can be on the whereabouts of when that will be dropping. Is that how you word it? I have no idea. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Take care. Love you guys. Peace. So cute.